Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this really cool foam cannon or foam lance for your car washing experience. This actually is one of these really cool foam cannons that you can use to actually spray the foam really nice and thick on your car. I was going to enjoy using this and showing you guys, so thanks again for sending this. In here, what you have in the kit as far as unboxing, you have your actual bottle. It's a 1 liter bottle that does have measurement markings that are embedded into the side. I like the fact that they're embedded into the side so that they're not going to wear off. You also have your hose with a nice filter attachment on the bottom. We're just going to stick that on there. And then you have your main unit, which has the adjustability on the top, the adjustability on the front, and it is made of brass fittings, which I like, so that's more corrosion resistant. You also have a wider mouth end on this so that whenever you're trying to measure out your soap, it's easy to determine how much soap that you need to add into there for the measurements. And also whenever you're filling it up at the water spigot, you can easily fill it up with that wide mouth. So I'm going to go ahead and fill this up and get this attached on again with this 1/4-inch fitting, which fits basically every pressure washer that's out there, and then show you how the foam cannon works. 1/4-inch fitting, just simply slide it in, lock it in place. It's a quick connect fitting, so that fits in just great. So you have the adjustability on the end to let you throttle this back and get it exactly how wide you want to have it, as well as the top that can allow you to increase or decrease the amount of foam. Sprayed this on about a minute ago. I mean, the thick foam that's on this thing is still there. It does a great job as far as evenly distributing the foam on the vehicle. Nice and thick, ready for your next wash.